Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to just give you a quick introduction to my 8 p.m. Saturday night vlog update, you know, whatever goes video. And I just wanted to touch on a couple things because in just a minute you're going to see everything that was done over the last 2 weeks since I did miss Saturday's update and vlog. So the reason why is basically, just to sum it up, I just had no time. It's been so crazy with work, and you will see now that everything else kind of took a backseat to just working. And of course I don't mind it because I like being busy, and obviously I like earning money, which is what happens when you work. But it's just everything else basically took a back seat. And this week what I want to do is try to basically kind of even things out a little bit better so that way I can get things done, but then also just really be present and focused on work because it is so busy. So what happened with the outdoor project area is I'm still working on it, and you will see all of the things that I've gotten done so far. And so far the progress has been pretty good, but like a lot of projects, one thing turns into another and to another and to another, and that's exactly what happened. So I will do a voiceover and kind of explain to you what I was doing and what I got done. And by yesterday, which was Friday the 3rd, I did get a lot of things accomplished that were kind of like the things that you put off on a regular basis, like the things that you don't want to do. I did a lot of those things yesterday, so that was really good, and you'll see a little bit of that. And the biggest thing is, because it's been so busy, I finally caved in after my sister-in-law told me about a meal subscription that she's been using. So I actually did get the first order yesterday. Obviously this is not sponsored, it's just me basically telling you about the first box that I received. I ordered it because I simply have no time to worry about it and to think about it, so I decided to give it a shot, and I will show you a little bit of that. So let's get into it. I will take you through all of the footage that I have over the last 2 weeks. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to come back next Saturday 8 p.m. for the update. So I wanted to show you these clips. I found these on Amazon. These are for siding, so you don't have to, or vinyl siding, so you don't have to put holes in your siding. So I'm not quite sure to how long they will hold up and how much weight you can actually put on them, but they kind of just slip underneath, and then you can hook things this way. So I will link them down below, and like I said, they're from Amazon. They were pretty inexpensive, and I'll show you what I used them for. My boss gave me these planters last year, and I have been wanting to hang them, but Frank would not let me put any holes, so I used them to hang these planters from them. I just have to get the flowers for them, but I got 3, so I have 1, and then I put them in the front of the garage. I think they're gonna look really pretty once I have the flowers in them. And there was one, this one's smaller than the other 2, and then the last one here. So I'm not gonna put too much wheat in them, probably just like a little bit, but see how it has the clip there? And then if you needed to put more, you could probably add a couple more of the clips. So it's just a nice way to hang things on your vinyl siding. All right, progress, not perfection. So we were able to get all of this stuff cleaned out. I have 1 bag of trash, big black bag of trash that came out of the shed because I was trying to make room in the video for things that were out here. So I had to clean the shed first. So one thing leads to another. This needs to still be cleaned, and the goal for this week is I want to get an outdoor rug, so it will go in place of this. This is going to go away, and then I want a set to sit on instead of something like this, because we have individual tables and chairs and things like that, that if we want to have family over, then we can just use them and put them under the tents that we have. So I want like a seating area out here instead. So this, I need to find space for these, because these are just like our outdoor boots or outdoor shoes that we changed to go for the chicken coop or just to work outside. And then the other thing I want to get done is this stuff, this dark things here are all grease from the grill. So I want Frank to power wash all of that stuff up to make it nice and new looking. So there we go. That is it. And excited for next week. So speaking of errands, this is items that I help my mom with her Etsy shop. So I take the pictures and do the shipping. So this was a project I have been putting off. I needed to get her stuff up. All those annoying phone calls were on hold for forever and ever and ever. This was a clip of me doing that, which took up a lot of time on Friday. This is my sister's dog, Arlo, who we are dog sitting for the 2nd weekend in a row. He sheds so bad. It's crazy, but look how cute he is. He's so cute. And I had picked up the first box of the meal subscription and was not expecting it to be so heavy. So it's a heavy box. And yeah, then we're gonna talk about that. All right, we're gonna give it a go. Let's see. All right, cut it open without cutting your finger off. So hopefully this makes life easier this week, and we can check out how it's packaged in the box. So we picked 4 nights, 4 dinners, selected the ones that we wanted, or Frank did. Alright, so let's see how this comes. So it looks like, really, Arlo? It looks like you get a paper that has the instructions on the meal, and this is one of the meals here. This chicken, sausage, or risotto, if I said that right. And then they have these other little ones that come there, or come in there as well. So you have your meals on here. And I like this because for someone that doesn't cook, Francis doesn't cook, he can follow the directions and it shows like pictures exactly of what to do. So
I mean, I'm gonna do it still.
Dominic can probably figure it out. So then we have some plastic. Holy moly, that's a lot of stuff. So this doesn't come packaged like all of the stuff separated, but it's individually wrapped, it looks like. And you have all your produce in there, and then you kind of have to just pick what you need for the recipe. So it's all kind of put together. Here's all your sauces that just dumps everywhere. And yes. So I'm gonna put the ingredients together and see what it looks like. Dominic just separated everything into the meal, so what we'll do is pick one for tonight for dinner to try it out, and then we will put everything else and separate it and then put it in the fridge downstairs, so that way we can just pull it out and be ready. I noticed so far the meat looks like it's really good quality, which is nice, and the poultry, the vegetables and all of the ingredients look super fresh and they look really, really nice. So very happy so far. Right, so it's all set. So we just separated, put them into bins, and put everything in the fridge. Everything is supposed to last for up to 1 week. So, and then put the recipe card in there so that way it's easy, just grab it out and you're good to go. I never thought in a million years I would ever want to use something like this, but it's just been so crazy with work that I feel like this is a huge weight lifted off my shoulder. So very excited. So how's everyone doing with all of your goals? Let us know down below if you want to give an update. I have noticed some friends here that are doing different dietary changes and some exercising more frequently and some filming more frequently, all different kinds of things. So let us know down below how you're doing and if you have any goals this week that you want to accomplish. So yes, just stay focused and keep moving, and yes, let's see what we can get accomplished. So I hope everyone has a great rest of your weekend and a safe 4th of July, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.